to my channel. Importing a car can be a daunting task, especially for first-time importers. In this video, I'll share some valuable tips on how to avoid targeted common mistakes when importing a car. Let's get started. Section 1. Research and planning. Mistake 1. Not doing your research and planning properly. Before importing a car, make sure you research the market, understand the regulations, and plan your finances accordingly. Here are some tips to help you research and plan effectively. Check the car's history and condition. Verify the seller's credibility. Understand the import regulations in your country. Calculate the total cost of importation, including taxes and duties. Section 2. Documentation and paperwork. Mistake 2. Not having the proper documentation and paperwork. Make sure you have all the necessary documents, including the commercial invoice, bill of lading, and certificate of origin. Here are some tips to help you get your documentation right. Ensure all documents are original and authentic. Verify the documents with the relevant authorities. Keep a record of all documents and correspondence. Section 3. Shipping and logistics. Mistake 3. Not choosing the right shipping and logistics options. Make sure you choose a reputable shipping company and understand the shipping process. Here are some tips to help you choose the right shipping and logistics options. Research and compare shipping companies. Understand the shipping process and timelines. Ensure adequate insurance coverage. Section 4. Customs clearance. Mistake 4. Not understanding the customs clearance process. Make sure you understand the regulations and requirements for clearing your car through customs. Here are some tips to help you navigate the customs clearance process. Understand the regulations and requirements. Ensure all documents are in order. Work with a reputable customs broker. Importing a car can be a complex process, but by avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure a smooth and successful importation. Remember to always do your research, plan properly, and seek expert advice when needed. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Well, let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers you know offline and online get their foreign used cars from either Burger Auto Market, Lagos, or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper, and importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special, they just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand, with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment, then send the cars or ELAs down to Nigeria, while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks, and also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, The good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.